A micrometer is a tool for measuring the sizes of objects to very high precision, but it has a limited range of motion. The micrometer you see here has a precision of about 5 microns.
Let's first look at the different parts of the micrometer. Here we have the anvil. Here we have the spindle. Over here we have the thimble, which can turn the spindle. We have a little ratchet on the end, which you can use to apply a consistent amount of force. You move the spindle by turning the thimble clockwise to tighten, and counterclockwise to loosen. Before you use the micrometer, though, make sure that this lock here is all the way to the right. This ensures that you can turn the thimble here freely. Let's quickly try and measure the diameter of this ball. To do the measurement, you place the ball between the anvil and the spindle, then you turn the ratchet to tighten. Turning it until you get contact. And for the sake of consistency, let's say 2 clicks of the ratchet is what you want for your measurements.
Now we want to read the scale to get the size measurement. On the sleeve here, you will see full millimeter and half millimeter marks. The closest uncovered or maybe just barely covered mark on the sleeve is your coarse measurement. That's the 8 millimeter mark. We have the fine measurement on the thimble to that. The scale on the thimble is divided into hundredths of a millimeter. The horizontal line on the sleeve is the marker for the fine scale on the thimble, which is at about 22.5 hundredths of a millimeter. Add this to your coarse measurement, and you get a ball diameter of 8.225 millimeters.
Finally, you're done your measurement. You release the ball by turning the thimble counterclockwise. Do not leave the micrometer squeezed. This will eventually introduce a systematic error in your measurements by introducing offset to your micrometer.